Are you tired of waiting for the Telegram code that never arrives? Well, you're not alone. What if I told you that there is a faster and a smarter version of Telegram that can help you solve this issue? Well, today we're going to be diving into Telegram X. That may be the solution that you've been looking for all along. If I'm to describe Slogan X, I will consider it as a clone of Telegram. It is an experimental app from Telegram built for speed, better animations, and yes, a better way of handling notifications and logins. Many users have reported that they received the login code instantly with Telegram X, even when the main Telegram app failed. So why does Telegram X work when Telegram doesn't? Here are some of the reasons. Telegram X uses a different notification engine that is more responsive, improved background connection handling, meaning you're less likely to miss messages. It's also optimized for low-end phones and unstable networks, perfect in situations where the regular Telegram fails. Now let's put it at test. First I'll try to log in using the regular app and you see what happens. Now this is our normal Telegram account. So what we're gonna do is let's select the country. And we insert the number. Then we go next. So here Telegram is letting me know that it has sent the login code to another device. Now let's install the Telegram X. Now let's log in using the same number on Telegram X. Now what we need to do is we need to first install our Telegram X. Then I will come to the Google Play Store since I'm using Android, and now I search for Telegram X. We're good to go. It's already installed in my phone. So I'll start messaging. So when I start messaging, I'll insert the number 787670129. Right. So the code has been sent to my email. Wow, finally I've restored my account back. Oh wow, this is amazing. Using Telegram X. Here is why this works. Telegram X seems to route notifications differently. Some users suggest that it doesn't get throttled by network providers as easily, and it uses different servers or fallback systems to send the code. Now let's look at the pros and cons. Pros: faster login code delivery, smoother performance, lightweight and battery efficient, useful as a secondary Telegram app, may lack some newer features from the main Telegram app. Bonus tip: use Telegram X as backup. Even if you're not using Telegram X as your daily driver, it is a great idea to keep it installed as a login backup tool. It can save you emergencies, especially if you're locked out of your Telegram account. Just know that Telegram X has your back. Hope this method worked for you, and if it worked for you, please comment in the comment section and let us know. And if it didn't work for you, still let us know in the comments. Have you ever tried this method before? Share your experiences in the comment section. And yeah, that has been it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.